A big thanks to everyone who participated this month in the Mopar theme build. Those were some great muscle car and fluorescent paint memories. Remember, Four Horsemen builds are open to everyone. You don't have to have a social media platform to participate. Just send a high-quality, widescreen glamour shot of your build to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com to be included in our recap videos. We need those by the build due date. If you are uploading, be sure to use hashtag 4horsemendiecast so we can all find your stuff. To recognize those talented builders who participate in Four Horsemen builds regularly, we've developed the Horseshoe Awards. A horseshoe is earned based on the number of builds someone participates in, dating back to January 2023. 6 builds equals a bronze horseshoe, 12 is silver, 24 for gold, which a few guys have now reached, 36 is platinum, and 48 is a diamond horseshoe. Our next event is National Redline Day on May 18th, which commemorates the original release of these amazing cars back in 1968. See you there.
Thanks for joining us today in the Four Horsemen. There was a lot of great builds today, and we thank everybody that participated. We would love to see your builds in next month's challenge. Check out the schedule for the Four Horsemen at 4 Horsemen Diecast on YouTube. Thank you, and cheers.